Hello my guys, today, I'm showing you another way you can earn unlimited airtime using keiphone. Your number one task is to follow the simple steps you are supposed to make in less than 2 minutes to get this free airtime. So, we shall start by installing the application on the phone. This requires us to use App Store or Play Store. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe and like this video so that we continue bringing you more of the kind. When you open Play Store or App Store, please type in keiphone latest app. This helps you to get the current version which works perfectly on all phones. For my case, I have it already, so I'm going to open it. And I show you how I redeem mine using the app. Remember, this requires a phone number and a valid password that will be required for you to sign up. A welcome bonus is also awarded if you sign up using a promo code. If you don't have a promo code, then just enter your contact. It's necessary to enter a valid contact because you will be sent a one-time password to verify your contact. This happens for new entrants and even those who are already registered. For my case, I'm already a registered user, so I have some airtime that I want to show you how we get it. Never miss any step in this tutorial if you want to benefit. Please click the like button so that more the tutorials will be uploaded in the coming days. This is your dashboard after the login process. Here, we have videos, liked videos, surveys and even credits when it comes to withdrawing your airtime. All these sections are important. This is how I got the airtime that you are seeing there. For example, videos, when you open, gives you a reward of airtime up to 200 in each video. Let's see, using this advert that I am going to watch, and I get 50 shillings added on my wallet. Now that I have watched that advert, they have already added the reward of 50 shillings on my wallet. I am now going to show you another way using the option of surveys. This normally takes 2 to 10 questions each survey. The reward is up to 1000 per survey. So follow critically. When it comes to redeeming airtime or data, go to rewards. In this section, a minimum of 500 shillings can be withdrawn. The maximum for now is 50,000 shillings. Let's see how I am going to withdraw mine. In less than 5 seconds, the airtime will be on your account. But if it says system is down, please try after few hours again and you'll be able to withdraw. Apparently, this application works in Uganda. You can try to check for your country if it works. If not, please subscribe as more will be published in the coming days.